That's enough. That's enough of that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is PhongSaintJames and today I will be doing a Sephora unboxing video. Yay! My good friend Liz Best has gotten me a gift package from Sephora. Liz is one of my most fashionable friends. She's incredibly chic and she knows a lot about beauty products. So I really trust her when it comes to beauty everything. Go ahead and follow her. Link is in the description below. Before we get started though, if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Please like this video for more content on beauty, makeup, fashion, and when this whole quarantine thing is over, thrifting. Ugh, I hate being in quarantine. Oh my god, I miss thrift stores so.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Ooh. You guys hear that? It's quite heavy actually. I need to get a pair of scissors. Alright, let's dive in. I cannot wait to see what's inside. She said she went a little crazy, so we'll see. Oh my god. Okay, I just saw the receipt and the first thing on there was something that I've been wanting for a really long time. And today I have a bare face because I want to try a lot of these products for you guys. So it came like this. These are the content of the box. Ooh. Okay, love this. First is this Rebecca Minkoff. Looks like a makeup bag. I will never complain about a makeup bag. I use these things like crazy, even for like really random things that aren't necessarily like makeup. Cool. So it's this Rebecca Minkoff makeup bag, and it comes like this. It's like this faux denim print. That's super cool. And I'm glad that it has the look of denim, but doesn't have the material of denim, because sometimes makeup bags, if they're like cloth material, they get messed up too easy. So I like that this is like a vinyl material. That's cool. Yay! Next we got the Sunday Riley CEO Glow. Yes, honey. It's got vitamin C, turmeric, and primrose. Wow. Look at that. Usually with my serums, I give it about 6 drops. So massage as needed into face and neck. Okay, so I'm believing that this is just like a face oil or serum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Get it into my hands. Mmm. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I'm massaging up and out so that we can get eyes like Bella Hadid. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. I cannot wait to incorporate this into my daily routine. This is from Drunk Elephant. It's for your face, for your body. Okay, so it's got a little bit of everything. Let's see what's inside. Wow. We got a lot of stuff inside of here. This is a makeup melting butter. Wow, that's cool. I've been thinking about needing something like this, so thank you. This is the Proteiny Pesticide Cream. This is a body lotion, and this is a body cleanser. Oh my gosh. I love getting these little testers because they're so good for travel. Every time I travel, I try to grab another one of these to try while I'm on the road. Next we have the Tatcha Kissed You Lip Mask. Comes like this. You know, it's got the Tatcha golden little spoon. And it comes in that. Put some on. Because their lips are crusty. This flavor is a Japanese peach seed. Wow. Do you guys see a difference in my lips? It should look more moisturized. Like rewind to the beginning of the video and then come back here. Do my lips look better? Next we have a Mario Badescu facial spray. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. This is chamomile and lavender. According to scientists, this is supposed to soothe my stress. Science, bitch. Oh, yes. Oh my god, I feel so refreshed. And then lastly we have, we got a Fenty. Looks like this is the highlighter palette. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and try some of these colors. Oh. This is a beautiful package. It's got a little bit of a metallic shine to it because obviously it's a highlighter. Oh wow, look at that. It comes with a nice big mirror. Oh, this is gonna be great. Sometimes whenever I travel, I don't have access to a full mirror. Sometimes I just be in the car and I need a mirror. So Rihanna, thank you. Thank you for providing this big ass mirror with a bunch of really nice highlighters. Which one should we try first? I'm really feeling this sort of lavender moment to match my lavender spray. So this one is called Scandal Ice. And I'm going in with the Bretman Rock highlighter brush, which I feel is very appropriate. I feel like Bretman would be proud. So we're gonna take a little bit of product, tap off the excess. Ooh. Ooh, bitch. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, Rihanna. Girl. The viewers at home are blinded. Girl. Wow. You guys can really see when it catches the light, huh? Whoa. Whoa. That was a really big payoff. Okay, Rihanna. I am going to try this blue in the shade Chills with a Z. Whoa. That was just one stroke. Wow. Wow. Wow, the payoff on these are incredible. Did not disappoint. Here, let me just swatch it on my arm. So, this is a swatch. Can you guys see that? Rihanna is not playing around, you guys. The payoff on the colors are amazing. Oh wow, it's for your cheeks, your eyes, anywhere you want to glow. So, it says highlighter palette, but this can also be like a shimmer or a glitter eyeshadow. Wow, that's innovative. That's technology. That's innovative. Science, bitch. I think that's everything. That is absolutely everything. Yeah. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I want to give a special thank you to my friend Liz for sending me all of this great stuff. I'm absolutely gonna have a happy birthday and I'm gonna look good doing it. If you guys aren't already, please like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty, fashion, thrifting, all of the things. Until next time, guys. Gonna thank you so much. Bye.